Authority to determine whether he has acted within the law, end quote. Clinton 520 U.S. at 703. Objection may be made that Marbury and its progeny exercised jurisdiction only over subordinate officers, not the President himself. The writ in Marbury was brought against the Secretary of State, and little against a commander of a ship of war, and Kendall against the Postmaster General, in Youngstown against the Secretary of Commerce. But as the Supreme Court has unequivocally explained, quote, no man in this country is so high that he is above the law. No officer of the law may set that law at defiance with impunity. All the officers of the government, from the highest to the lowest, are creatures of the law, and are bound to obey it. It is the only supreme power in our system of government, and every man who, by accepting office, participates in its functions is only the more strongly bound to submit to that supremacy, and to observe the limitations which it imposes upon the exercise of the authority which it gives. End quote. United States v. Lee, 106 U.S. 196 220 1882. Quote, that principle applies, of course, to a president, end quote. Vance, 140 SCT at 2432. Kavanaugh J. concurring. Further, the Supreme Court has repeatedly affirmed the judiciary's power to, quote, direct appropriate process to the president himself. End quote. Clinton, 520 U.S. at 705. The president does not enjoy absolute immunity from criminal subpoena issued by state and federal prosecutors, and may be compelled by the courts to respond. Burr, 25F. Cass at 33 TAC 34. Nixon, 418 U.S. at 713 TAC 14. Vance, 140 SCT at 2431. We have, quote, 200 years of precedent establishing that presidents and their official